Let's see how to enable track changes option in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to be able to see changes that are happening in our document. So to do this, what we can do is enable the track changes option. So to do that, head on over to the review tab. And right here, when you click track changes, that will change your document from editing to reviewing mode. So now that you are in reviewing mode, whenever you're making changes to your document, it won't directly affect the contents of that document. Instead, it will put them as suggestions. So for example, I want to suggest to remove this paragraph right here. So I'll click that. And as you can see, that paragraph has now been turned red and striked through. And you'll notice that when I go back to editing mode, that paragraph is still there. And when you highlight this, you have the option to either accept or reject this change. So let's say that I reject this change and I don't want to remove this paragraph. So click on reject. And as you can see, that paragraph was not deleted. And there are a lot of things that you can do when you're tracking changes within your document. As long as you are in reviewing mode, it won't directly affect the contents of your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.